Good after morning. Okay, I've got a few things to do, then I can get the body back on. That's the goal for today. Body on, panels on, and then I can start working on the actual body itself. And then fire it up. Now, before you got here, I did actually have to take this whole exhaust off again because there still wasn't enough room down there between the exhaust and the other side of that bracket. So that's done. I've adjusted the exhaust again so that it's level. I made sure that these pipes are not going to be hitting the running boards. So they're both the same, well, they're both the same-ish. So all that's left is the drive shaft in, and I still need to make these mounts a little bit higher. Let's get the drive shaft in now. Only thing left to do, make these about about half an inch bigger. So I'll chop 1.5 sections out of these, one for there, one for over there, and then we're good for the body finally. Chunky new body mounts are made. Suppose I better get that body on. Hopefully this is the last time we'll see the frame from this side. I don't really want to see it from the other side either, but I really don't want to be taking this off again. So let's get the body on. Finally, looks like a car again. It's funny how small the engine looks when you put your body back on. Hey, I found my little carburetor filter type. What they called? I've forgotten what they're called. Anyway, I think that's quite nice. Protect it from the rain. Yes, I know it looks like it's sitting really high. But remember, it's got the running boards just above the exhaust pipes, and the fenders come down to meet that, so it does look a lot lower. It's quite a clever design in that respect. And all that's left then, I need to make little metal plates for those body mounts at the back, and I'm glad I put those two under the seating area, because it is actually resting on that and on the new ones at the back. They're not bolted down yet. I didn't see any point until I've got these ones done at the back. So for the moment, I'm actually going to put all the panels back on, purely so that I can free up some space in the garage and get it tidy. It's an absolute disaster in there, and I don't like tripping over stuff when I'm trying to tidy. So let's get all my nice panels back on. Don't worry, it's not that difficult to take them off again. For those new to the channel, where have you been? Anyway, this is my 1936 Chevrolet Master Deluxe Coupe, or Coupe as you say in Europe. Right, I know it doesn't make sense to put everything back on when I have to take it all off to work on it, but as I say, I need the space in the garage to tidy up, find all my tools I've lost over the last week. Plus I like it to look like a car now and then. Isn't it gorgeous? So I might spend some time tomorrow and finally get rid of all the cobra stripes, otherwise known as red oxide, and then give it a quality coating, or a coating of quality clear coat. Coating of quality clear, yeah, say that 3 times fast. So I guess I need to make another list, another to-do list, and it will be a big one. But I'm going to be aiming at getting this engine started soon. Even if the whole body shakes to bits, I want it running soon. And there's not really much involved to get it running. You need a battery and about 3 wires and a switch and some gasoline. Soon guys, soon. Right, thanks for watching, and hopefully see you tomorrow with more stuff and a big list. Tell a friend. Bye bye.